Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ogechi and I'm here to enlighten you guys about ICT entry model. Now, firstly, I always give a shout out to my coach, actually, my coaches, actually. I give a shout out to them. That's number one. And number two is that I say, before I go with this topic further, I want to say something that many people are actually struggling with understanding breaker block and mitigation block. But the first thing I tell anyone I'm trying to guide is go and master market structure. I got to learn that market structure is marked in the basic and the advanced way. And the moment you can understand the basic and advanced way of marking market structure in a way, it becomes very, very simple for you. Now, for a breakout block, there must be a sweep of liquidity. That's a break of structure and a change of character. You mark this last candle and you're waiting for a fair value gap aligned with a breakout block for your potential entry. And for a mitigation block, this low has not been taken like the breaker block, but there was a violation of the swing point, the swing high here. Price came down just like the breaker block, took in the fair value gap, and boom, went up further. Like I said, master structure, and this becomes very easy for you to identify. Going into the chart now, I just marked one here. Now this is like the advanced way. We have what a sweep of market. There was what a sweep of liquidity, or will I call it? I'll call it a BOS. I'll call it a BOS. And what do I have here? There was what I'll take this and this, or I can take this as a shift of market structure here. MSS. That's what I'm saying. There are two ways you can mark structure: the basics and the advanced, which as ICT showed himself how to mark both. You can go to ICT's channel, you can see it there. This is just the swing point, that's the advanced level. And what do I see? Price came and tapped in the fair value gap, aligning with what? A breaker block. Can you see it? If I go around my chart very, very well, I can see it also here. What do I see? Price did not take out this low, but price came out and violated this high, right? Price violated this high. An example, what do I have here? A fair value gap aligned with what? A mitigation block. If I still go further again, what do I have here again? Price came this low. The price break this low below. Okay, I'll just draw it so you can see it yourself, right? You can see this low wasn't taken out and price took out this high, right? What do you mark here? You mark this last candle here, the bullish candle entirely, and that makes it what? A mitigation block. And what do you see? Price came in. It's very straightforward. If you understand structure, which it took me a year. Well, I say a year, or I'll say 2 years, because I kept seeing people marking structure differently. But I wanted to understand ICT's concept very well, and I had to learn that. I had to understand the two, the basic and the advanced. So you can understand the advanced and the basic, and everything becomes very, very easy for you. And what do I have here? Look at this, another example here. What do I have? Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low here. Can you see it yourself? What's low taken out? Let's see. Now, I will show you two examples just now. You can see it yourself. Now, this low was being taken out, right? This is the first low that was taken out, right? But this high wasn't taken out. Can you see it yourself? Making this what? The example I showed you, a what? A mitigation block that was created, right? And what happened? Price reacted here and what? Boom, went down. That's the first entry you got. Now, if you look further inside, right, there's another entry again. Price took out this high and took out what? This low. You had two times to enter this trade, right? The first one and the second one. And what do I have here? I have what? I have what? A breaker block. I don't want to use the breaker block for my entry. I also have my mitigation block here for my potential entry. So price gave me two times to enter this trade. So understanding the diagram of mitigation block, this is just a diagram, right? But you cannot use the diagram without understanding structure. That's why I said you have to go back to the foundation. If your foundation is already messed up, I won't lie to you, I wasted a year plus, a full beautiful year plus trying to understand market structure. I've lost money trying to understand market structure. And I'm grateful that I took those steps. It helped me understand that market structure comes in different ways, but I need to understand the basics and the advanced, which I'm saying to you too. Then this whole chapter, this whole diagram becomes more easier for you to understand. Don't forget to subscribe on my channel, ask your questions. I'll be happy to answer them on the comment section. You can email me the questions. I always give a shout out to my coach because they took their time to correct me and guide me to understand the market very, very well. And I was also encouraged to teach people out there to also understand it better. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and ask your question. Thank you so much.